Hey, nice. Crocs and sportsman. What advice do you have for people going through a hard time? Sometimes in life we need hard times to make us stronger in the long run. You know, those times never, last. It's what you do within those tough times that'll help define who you are when you come out on the other side, eh? Don't sit around and wallow. You do that, and you're gonna be doing that every day. In those tough times is when you need to look in the mirror at yourself and invest in yourself to help make you a stronger person.